Good morning, everybody. Wow, it has been a little bit. It is, what is today? New Year's? Is it the first? New Year's Eve. So today is New Year's Eve. I actually was so sick the past like 4 days. I had some like stomach bug, gross, but I was so sick and my whole entire family got this like disgusting like throw up thing, and it was like spreading throughout everyone. But anyways, quickly just wanted to say that I'm probably gonna be vlogging today. Don't really know what I'm doing tonight. Jill is here like 10 in the morning right now. We're heading off to go to breakfast and she's in a rush, so I will see you guys a little bit later.
Oh yeah, because my Aunt Kathy spells her name with a J.
Yeah, that's how most people spell it. They moved locations. This is the outfit.
Not me.
All right. Excuse me. I'm gonna go down and get the last one.
What are you doing? I thought they would do it for people that it's just like.
Hi.
These are the sparkliest cool things ever.
Oh yeah, I wanted to try them on.
I wear these. I'm just gonna kill people.
Okay, so we are going out tonight. Well, I'm going out. This is my outfit. I just have on like a pink little fringe shirt and plain jeans and a little coat. Jill, what are you wearing? It's like pitch black in here.
This is ridiculous. I don't even feel like I feel like I'm
Let me see.
black jeans.
Ooh.
We're gonna go.
You want to see what
I
Grandma's
like
wearing?
this but
I'm a leader. Run through the money, no visa. Forgive me, 'cause my life illegal.
your freaking hood.
Babylons can't take the no. I said, baby, just.
Again. Got that on video.
Hey, yo, vlog. There it is, Vanessa. Get that.
Comment down below your favorite drink, especially you, Celine. Subscribe and like, comment down below, share. video, especially share it. Yeah. I look so cute.
It's just, I know, it's late. It's 12 already.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Up here in this box.
Somewhere up here.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Oh my god, the light. Today is Sunday, and me, Megan, and Eliza are going to hot yoga, and then we're gonna get coffee, and yeah, we can get some nice vids of us doing some yoga.
Yeah,
Is that what it's called? I don't know, like the when
Here
they,
comes the Darcy flow.
I don't know, like, you know when they say those words, like, yeah, like, yes, like, yeah, it's like breathe in, breathe. It's like I don't know.
I go to hot yoga.
Yeah, you go more than like I do. This is the water bottle Megan me. Bring this. I was just eating some snap peas. You want one?
No.
She hates anything green. Okay, see you there.
Wait for what? The camera?
The camera light.
Camera loves me.
Another new friend.
No, I look disgusting.
Oh, you can't swear.
I know.
Megan always swears and I have to like bleep it out.
I go.
Megan is always like,
No, it's. Hey guys.
yeah.
5 minutes done.
Oh my god, look, I went to pitch black.
Stains out of your clothes, clean them. With 10 times the cleaning power of Tide. If it's got to be clean, it's got to be Tide.
Don't you love that feeling when you've just nailed your
Just
look?
finished sweat yoga.
That's how it feels to use stitches. How are you feeling? Your personal
Spotlight.
They really freaking vinyasa our flow. Yeah, they did.
What did you say?
They really just vinyasa our freaking flow. Shavasana throw.
Oh my
No
god.
subscription required.
We are like soaking wet.
Time
Gross.
you started nailing
We're going to Stop and Shop, right? Yes.
Christmas
I do kind of, and maybe Starbucks. Okay, gotta go before we get to the next one. Round 2. Megan always comes to the grocery store to just hang.